Welcome back here with David.
Good afternoon.
We don't even know what we're doing in this video, and we're worried about our thumbnail. So, what? Hold on there now. I'm more worried about my little bug here. Stop it, David. It's bad enough now.
Is it going to come out?
Huh? Just reef it out.
Oh, I'm not even down all the way yet.
Go on, put it. Is the bug aired up?
I don't know.
Pull it as hard as you can.
It was. No, you still need to let it down.
I'm talking about the jack, David.
Oh, there's a splitter. Hold on there.
Oh yeah, there you go. Actually, what are they even off, David?
Ford Transit.
Oh my God, Ford Transit 2000 onwards, yeah? That model. There you go. They're going to the bin if anyone wants them.
John, if we get to 6,000 subscribers after this, the first person to text us after that.
There you go, Ford Transit. That is a splitter. And that's one of those things, yeah, that David wears an odd time. A bonnet bra. You sure there's nothing else in there, David?
No, just the jack stuck.
So a few years ago I bought, the lad's laughing, I bought this Savage brush, right? It's just a sweeping brush for the shed. Now the shed needs a bit of a sweep. And we call it Basil, because it's Basil brush, yeah? And it's gone missing in the state of the shed. So I am sending out a search party, David. That's what I'm doing. For my brush, hey.
So you know what you do instead?
What?
Help me get the jack out.
No, David. Anyway, moral of the story is, in this video here, David, we are clearing everything out.
Yeah.
We have the Lamborghini outside.
The Lamborghini that we don't have to hide anymore.
We don't have to hide anymore, so we're going to do it up here because we can't do it in the top shed because that is my Beetle shed at the minute. We are not doing it here because your car is going here because Declan, aka
CS13,
is on his way down to do a bit of work on your yoke, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm just going to put this down. David, I might say this was a little bit of a time lapse. Hey.
Moving everything.
Moving everything. Do you know what? I hate moving everything.
You probably get a good long time, lads, out of me trying to get the jack out of this.
Just, I'm a wounded man here today, so I'm just here to observe. I'm gonna go and get myself a little chair and I'm gonna sit down and watch it, okay? The highlight of your day, driving the Porsche.
It's not.
It's even the thought of moving it out of the shed. Maybe she still looks good, doesn't she?
Timeless classic car.
We've plenty of them around here.
Only because you spend so much money on it.
Here's another. Look at it. Don't know whether it's that or that. What decision that would be now? There she is. Drop back down to us. The Lambo dropped down, it's not even running, hey?
Typical.
We have to push the oh Jesus Christ, that's in the way now we're pushing, is it?
Ah, we might swing our way. What's going on with that thing?
I don't know, the airs, I don't know. I'm not even going to talk about that. I bought the air off a crowd in England for that a few years ago, yeah? Hey? Shite, yeah. Actually no, it has airlift performance full setup, which is brilliant.
Yeah, no,
the four struts are absolutely muck.
It wasn't the best of setups, was it?
No. But anyway, where is Craig at? I'm not pushing this thing, David, by myself for a game. Or will I sit in it, David, and you push me?
Yeah, we do that, yeah.
We need to do something with that Porsche.
Oh my God.
Imagine going down the road and the alarm was just gone off now. Oh my God. David, put something in here to tell people to watch their hearing. Hey. Lock the crate. Oh my God. My God. Apologies for any inconvenience caused there with the sound audio. Pushed.
It's Harley. What's his name?
Who's it?
Podge. He's wearing sunglasses on.
Where is he? Give us a look there. Hey. Huh? Oh, where is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, here, we'll have to do a little photo shoot, David, huh? A barcode truck and that. Oh, that's next thing, huh?
I hear you laughing.
Good morning, Josh.
Morning.
Looking well, yeah?
We weren't laughing, we were smiling out loud.
Smile out loud, don't see. There you go.
Oh, that's class. Josh, I call for a photo shoot. With our baby.
What, two beasts?
I think so.
You in the bikini beside your Podge.
Your Raj. Hey.
My Raj, my Podge. I actually wanted to call it Padge, but I spelled it wrong on Instagram. So I guess she's committed to Podge now.
Here, I think we forget about the Lambo for a minute. Let's get a photo shoot going of the two little... No language, David. No language person already. That's us, David. We are geared up, David, for one of the probably most criticised, outrageous build ever.
The most controversial car we've probably ever done.
But you know what, David? I, for one, do not give a F-U-C-K. What about yourself?
How much can you put that in or not, can you?
Don't know.
You probably can.
But Dave, we're not...
I don't care either.
We're not... Because we don't own it.
Do you know what, in fairness to us, we like to do things at the end of it like.
Yeah, fuck it. But David, there's something down here, David, yeah? That we will be using on this car, yeah? Okay?
What?
It's over there, pick her up there. We have the brand new disc and over, David, huh? We have a full tank of petrol. Oh, and David, there's a big photo shoot going on out here now as well, right? We'll have to move to that. But David, anyway, well oh, they're class. But Davey, we're kind of wrapped up in here, aren't we? I don't know if there's any more we can shoot because drift games, they're kind of...
Our videos have to be behind drift games.
Exactly.
Just so people know.
Yeah. But keep an eye out on our Instagram mainly.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be keeping updates and that. Not big full features on it, but you know, little clips, little teasers.
But we have to talk to Dave as well.
Yeah.
Because Dave might be like, lads, just go on ahead. Just don't show the end product.
We could be the behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And if it is behind the scenes, okay, yeah, right, the next video. Dave, you know what? As you said earlier on, yeah? Do you know what I mean? There's some of those stars out there and some of our stuff does get leaked. Yeah? Yeah? We could be the stars that leak the stuff.
It leaked by accident.
Yeah.
After 2 hours of editing.
Anyway, let's go inside and see what's going on here. There's a little small truck party, I think. Right, Dave, the shit's going down around here now, yeah?
Stuff's about to get out,
This is it. This is the package. Remember you tried to open there a few videos ago, yeah?
I didn't try to open it.
And then Craig told us that you weren't allowed to.
See, it's still sealed.
Oh, there's a little spy hole in the box there.
That's probably when Josh was sitting on it, sliding down the stairs.
What video proof?
Here, we're not even... We have proof, Craig.
Have we got a picture?
Yeah.
Have we got a picture we can put in here?
Craig, give us that video and Dave will put her in right there. Huh? So we're not even allowed to take this box. Like, this is very strict around here today, isn't it? We're not allowed to do our own thing.
We're playing by other people's rules today.
Yeah, but anyway, we don't mind, David, yeah?
No.
So, this is very funny here. So, this is Josh's new little baby. What's it called, Craig?
Podge.
Podge, what's
Porter.
Sergio Podge. It's a little bit springy there. We just noticed that the back wheel there needs to go forward about 2 inches. Other than that, he's turned into a camper. Okay? You know, she'll be compact inside now, she will.
We'll call it cute.
Yeah, it will be cute. Let's put it like this, okay? Yeah? If you're gonna go away in that for a few nights with your missus, you definitely really must like her, hey? Because there's no getting away from her, huh? But they would have to say his old carpentry skills. I'm gonna give him Josh.
What?
Just looking at your carpentry skills here, yeah? I'm gonna give...
Oh, don't judge me too much.
No,
you actually know what you're doing.
I'm a carpenter. I haven't used my tools in about 7 years, but that's the only problem, I think.
That's the only problem.
But I'm telling you now, there's a few flaws in it. I'm not going to go through too many.
To be fair, look at he's notching around things and all.
He's notching out. I like his little lights up there as well.
He's doing good.
Yeah, they gave me a nice little dimmer switch to get the heat set.
Dimmer, huh?
Sound system and all, innit?
Oh, see that up there, yeah?
Magnetic.
What are these? There's nothing going on here.
What are they? The pocket holes, are they?
Pocket holes, yeah.
Pocket holes, innit?
They're actually more strong.
It's
stronger, is it?
It's structural.
David, reef out with there and see how strong it is, hey? Anyway, here, do you know what, David? Yeah, we'll come back to this in another episode when it's finished, Josh, can we?
Oh, I mean, we're going on a nice little camper trip.
Yeah.
You get yours, I'll take this.
Do you know what, Josh?
Book a hotel.
They go join you there. Alright, anyway, let's get the. Can we get the kit unloaded, Craig? Yeah? And get into the shed, yeah? There.
Darren.
That was some day, wasn't it?
That was a productive day.
I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, right? And we definitely can't show the. Oh! We can show the Lambo, can we not? Well, you can show that piece of Lambo.
Bonus and
You can show that piece of Lambo.
you can show it here,
Show
here.
that. What's
There.
What's your hand there?
Just don't go too far out the back there.
No. But what a day. I am sick that we cannot show this car right now.
I know, yeah.
Because it looks unbelievable, right? But I'm not sure if it'll be the next video. But one of our videos over the next week or so is going to show us after fitting the whole kit. Fully kit onto this car.
Yeah.
Fully kitted.
Kit.
And we had a bit of crack on it. It was a long old day.
And it's insane looking.
Oh my god, here I'm going to show it. Oh, I can't. I can't even show anything.
No, you can't.
Oh, I can't show
don't go too far around there.
Even what's down there, right, yeah?
Yeah.
The front bumper. Oh, mother of Jesus.
Oh, stop now, this is serious.
Gallardos are, what would you call them, okay? Like in Lamborghini terms, yeah? Like a Hurricane would be my dream, yeah?
Yeah.
This, not really, okay? But David, when I seen that bumper on the front of it, I was like, oh my god, that's gonna be a done deal, hey? But yeah. But the same shit again with this country, yeah? You get one in the UK for handy enough money, yeah?
Yeah.
But the VRT,
Oh,
it's a
you know what?
disgrace.
Not even going to get into it
Let's
again.
not get into it. Hey.
I can't do it.
But anyway, okay, if you're after watching the video and you enjoyed it, I hope you did. We've news coming.
What's the news?
I've been talking to a few companies.
Oh, gee, big news coming.
Big news coming.
Big
So
news.
people are willing to get involved with us.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of buzzing for it.
I'm excited.
I'm definitely am, yeah. We've a lot happening. We've double shed coming up. We've blah 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 blah. Loads of stuff to do. We've a lot to do ourselves.
It's going to be a busy summer.
Very busy.
Busy summer for videos, busy summer for shows, trips away, stuff.
Yeah. And also, Bugly.
Bugly actually, yeah.
The Bugly's will be back.
Let's pick it up tomorrow as well, do we?
Are we?
Did you not say that the other day?
Sometimes I tell lies, I don't even know I'm telling lies. I don't even know. Right?
Oh, I thought you said that to me the other day. Now sometimes I make things up in my head as well.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe the two are as bad as each other. But yeah, that's maybe next video we'll show a little bit of that. But anyway, this video is at an end now. Okay, we're at a bit of crack here. The Drift Game boys are going to have a video out now in a week or so of this car. And as soon as they have theirs done, we're going to get ours done. And that is a wrap.
That is a wrap. Anyone that hasn't subscribed yet and is watching the videos, please subscribe. These are doing Playing a Stormer. Last one. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Done.
Goodbye.
Bye.